Here is a video tutorial on how to replace or remove Nissan Qashqai Rogue pollen filter in 9 easy steps. You should know that pollen filter is located in the area that is indicated by the white arrow. If you're doing this for Nissan Rogue, you should start from the 4th step. 1. Remove the plastic part from the front passenger's leg area. Two. Remove the glove box. First, disconnect the plastic arm from the shock absorber on the right and then remove it from the clamps. Three. Remove the plastic cover from under the glove box. Four. Remove the cover from the pollen filter. Five. Remove the pollen filter and replace it with the new one. You can find pollen filter for Nissan Qashqai and Rogue in the video description below. This pollen filter can also be installed on Nissan X-Trail, Renault Megane 4, E-Space and Scenic. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Six. Refit the pollen filter cover. Seven. Put back the plastic part back. 8. Install the plastic part back. 9. Refit the glove box. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.